Hi sir, magandang hapon. Sir, I understand na may mga nabigyan tayo ng titulo ng lupa ngayon. Pero in general sir, paano pa bibilisin ng gobyerno yung pag-i-issue sir, yung proseso ng pag-i-issue ng lupa sa ating mga kababayan?
Kung may alam kang pwede pang pabilisin, sabihin mo sa amin. Dahil lahat ng ginagawa, lahat ng pwede namin gawin para matapos ito sa term ko, ay ginagawa na namin dahil talagang pangako ko sa tao yan na matatapos namin lahat ng pagbigay ng titulo ng mga qualified na beneficiaries para galing sa agrarian reform. Kaya na-streamline na namin lahat ng mga proseso. And kagaya sabi ko, kung may alam kayo na mas mabilis pa, sabihin nyo sa amin para gawin na, magawa namin.
Okay. Mr. President, what are the preparations of the government for the looming La Nina in the coming months? And also the LGU's calamity funds have been depleted already because of the El Nino. So ano ang may assistance na may bibigyan ng national government?
Ganun din. Whatever we give every time there's flooding, hindi naman, this is something that we have to learn how to live with already. And so it's almost normal. So naka-ready naman kami. But of course, on the long term, ang talagang solusyon dyan is yung flood control. Ayusin natin yung flood control, gagawin natin irrigation, mag-iipon tayo ng tubig para pagka naabutan na naman tayo ng tagtuyot, kagaya ngayon, ay meron tayong pagkukuha ng tubig. So, ongoing naman yan. There's no need to do anything special. We are already doing everything that we can do to prepare for, well, another El Nino and the La Nina that we are anticipating will come.
Next question, please.
Magandang hapon po kay galang-galang na Pangulo. During your visit in Northern Samar last July of last year, you issued a directive to end the local communist armed conflict, but still it persists. Are you still confident that the insurgency in the region will come to its end under your term?
Yes, I am, very. Because I've seen the progress reports. It's getting better and better. Hindi na masyadong magulo kagaya ng dati. At meron pa rin mga encounter pero hindi na kasi natin large numbers at saka yung kanilang organization ay nababaklas-baklas na natin. So I think the progress is sufficient and I think we will be able to do it in the schedule that we have given ourselves.
Last question.
Good afternoon, Mr. President. Good afternoon, Mr. President. The people of Samar continues to experience this bad road along National Highway, Maharlika Highway. I'm sorry. Do you have any at Samar, sir? The bad road in Maharlika Highway. What measures are being done, if there are any, to fast track its rehabilitation work?
Well, it's part of our continuing plan for the rehabilitation of what's happened. Because even up to now, some of the governors, I was talking to them, some of the other officials, hindi talaga pa tayo nakapag-fully recover. Hindi ba natin masasabi nakapag-fully recover pa na tayo sa Yolanda. So that's still all those rehabilitation. You know, we only really started 2 years ago because nothing was done in the previous administration. Nothing was done in the administration before that. So, now, how long? 12 years on, ngayon pa lang talaga natin na inaasikaso ng mabuti. So, but the plan is there. The funding will be available whenever the schedule requires it. So, yes, that's what we are doing.